Thank you for choosing Oceania Seafood Select. My name is Kaz. I'm filleter of Oceania Seafoods. Now, I'll let you know how to cut and slice this kingfish. Okay, you receive a package like this. Open it. Okay, first of all, please dry and wipe all the moisture from the fish. Yes. Now, I'm going to cut in half in the middle of the fish here. Okay, so when we serve the kingfish, we always put the skin side on top, not the other side. So we need to show actually nice red color and this shiny silver color must come up on top side. Okay, it's easy. So put the knife on here, slice. Yes, point like this. And the other one. So this one cut a little bit smaller. And same things. So one of the tip, so when you cut the kingfish, cut a little bit thicker, not thinner. It's much better. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy your dish.